In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your new AirPods to your iPhone. Alright, so before we get started, I just wanted to say thanks for stopping and checking out this video. If you're interested in more tips, tricks, and how-tos for your phone, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button as well while you're at it, and let's get started on this video on setting up your AirPods to your iPhone. First, you get your AirPods out of the box. Obviously, you have them here. You're going to flip the case open, and you're going to see that your iPhone will automatically detect that your AirPods are not yours and they're not connected. AirPods not connected to this phone. You're simply going to hit the connect button. It's going to say press and hold the button on the back of the charging case. You flip it over. Here's the button right here. You're going to hold it in. And there you go. It's going to automatically connect. And voila, Joe's AirPods. There you go. It's going to show your battery life and everything like that. All right, so another quick tip that I can give you after you already have your AirPods connected to your iPhone, you say you have your AirPods in your ear, as I do right now, and I'm sitting here. You could swipe down from your shortcuts, and obviously it's already connected to my AirPod because it's in my ear, but you can turn them off and you could switch between devices. So I have an Apple TV, or if you have a HomePod, something like that, you can switch back and forth through this shortcut. It's really simple. Adjust your volumes and everything like that. So I just wanted to again say thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in watching any more videos on tips, tricks, and how-tos for your phone, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I left a couple videos right here for you to watch, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.